In this video, I want to show you the best affiliate program with recurring commissions and how I earned over $72,000 along with this one affiliate program. Now, the affiliate program that I like to promote are going to be traffic programs, and they're going to be programs that have tools in it that people actually need to run a successful business. Gone are the days where people actually want training, where they have to go through a bunch of training videos. They just want a simple step-by-step plan that's going to get them the results that they want and going to get them the results quickly. Now, even with the Home Business Academy, which is the program that I'm talking about, you do have to go through some steps. You do have to do some things. But with the Home Business Academy, the capture page is done for you. The VSL is done for you. The emails are done for you. Everything is done for you. The only thing you have to do is promote your one link. You don't have to worry about setting up capture pages, opt-in pages, VSL, creating video for the VSL, none of that. And we even have the traffic that you can tap into plugged inside of the system. Now, when I say traffic, that means you're going to be using Facebook as a traffic method, and you're going to be using YouTube as a traffic method as well. Also, you can use paid traffic, which I'll leave a link to one of the paid traffic sources that I recommend below. I have plenty of them, but I'm going to leave you one that I recently tapped into that I think you can get access to. That's it if you want to get things going quickly. So let me go ahead on and show you proof that I have actually made over $72,000 with this one affiliate program, not 3, not 5, because if I include the other ones, then it's going to be well over that. But I just want to share with you this one affiliate program that you can tap into right now by clicking the link in the description. Let's go ahead on and get started right now. Cool. As you can see on the screen, I have made over $72,227.63 with this one affiliate program, 528 commissions. I have helped to provide 3,611 meals. Now, I'm not going to say that these are the results that you're going to get, but the required legal disclaimer is typical affiliates earn no income. This is not a get-rich-quick program. No sales, no income. Full earning disclosure can be found at the HBA app income. So you can check that out. I'm promising you that you're going to earn any income simply because I don't even know if you're going to grab the one link and follow the affiliate steps that are inside of the Home Business Academy. And if I refresh this page, I can show you that it is for real. You see the commissions are here. I can even show you the recurring commission that I'm earning as well, but we're not going to get into that because I want you to know that this is recurring commissions that the HBA or the Home Business Academy pays, and they pay every Friday. So every Friday, like clockwork, the money comes into my account. I get an email notification from my e-wallet that my commissions have been paid, and they have not missed a payment since I have been with them. So you see right here, this is for real. One more time, I will refresh the page, and then we're going to move on. As you can see, $72,227.63. So let me go ahead on and show you why I know that this is the best affiliate program on the internet that you can tap into right now and get started with today. So the first thing you're going to get access to is the Let's Go app. Now, in the Let's Go app, what this does, it helps you with your personal development. It helps you get your mindset straight. It helps you be prepared in order to do the affiliate marketing business with the Home Business Academy or any business that you are a part of. You need to get your mindset together. You need to have the right mindset, because if you don't, then you're going to come in here thinking that you can just earn money and go on about your business, and it's not going to happen like that. You need to be prepared. You need to have your mindset right, set goals, and get all of that type of stuff done. So you're going to have your purpose and affirmation, meditate and pray, gratitude. We keep going. You're going to have visualize, plan your day, journal, read, exercise, stretch. And today's mantra, you get access to all of this inside of this app, nutrition tracker, everything. I can't go over everything in this video, but I'm just going to give you the gist of what you can do. You're going to have your purpose right here. You can have your notes. You can take notes. you have your journal, you have quotes that you can put in here, all of that type of stuff. You have your gratitude, and then we also have the social here as well, where you can come in and you can see where people are actually earning residual income and making sales inside of the Home Business Academy. I am not the only one who's earning residual income inside of this system. So then you're going to have what is called the funnel builder. We have a funnel builder inside of here that you're going to get access to. You have the funnel builder. We open that up. You can come over here, have all of the funnels in here that you need. You can set up as many funnels as you want in here. If you want to set up a funnel, you don't want to create one by yourself, and you don't have to. Remember, I said that you don't have to, but you do have access to this funnel builder, and you have access. If I come down here, click add new step, you're going to be able to have access to all of these templates in here as well. And there are plenty other people added templates in here. This is just where you have the template section. So this is the funnel builder that you're going to get access to. So if we close that back out, you're going to have the setup. You have training over here. As I said before, nobody wants to go through all of this. That's why we have a done for you funnel, which is this right here, the turnkey system. Someone puts in their name and email. It takes them to this page right here, and then they're going to read this page. You can calculate how much you want to earn per month. If you just want to earn an extra $500 per month, you can update the numbers. You need 4 customers who are paying $128 per month to earn that residual income. So you can check this out by clicking the link in the description down here. You're going to see the numbers as they know how much they have paid out to the actual affiliates right now. You can look at the numbers. Once you come down through here, pick your package. Okay, and you're simply going to look and see my image here, and then you're going to pick the $35 package and go from there. So this is a done for you system. This is the funnel builder. You have the HBA mailer. Okay, we click on that. This is the mailer that you get access to. You can purchase credits inside of this mailer. You don't need Get Response, Aweber, or nothing like that. This is another thing that makes this the best affiliate program, because it eliminates a lot of the outside costs that you would normally have to pay for third party, system and things like that. So you have access to that. You're going to be able to see the affiliate training. You're going to be able to see your business. We also have a conversion tracking tool in here now that you can get access to. So you don't need if you have a tracking software that you're using, you can have it to track your conversion inside of the Home Business Academy of the sales that you actually make. We have a link rotator in here as well. You can set up a link rotator for your team if it's affiliate marketing, network marketing, or if you have other different products that you are promoting. You have the bonus vault right here as well. And then also we have what is called Premium Domain Scout. Before we go to Premium, you have Domain Scout. You can put your own domains in here, and even tells you if you want to search for a domain. We helped you pick out a domain in here. Okay, up to 2 pages. If you want to search for a different domain, you can get it. You can host all of your domains right here. So if you're using something like Namecheap or GoDaddy, you can get your domain right here inside of the Home Business Academy. That's another thing that makes it the #1 program. Premium. You're going to have premium AI tools, Traffic Maestro. This is going to help you create long form videos, short form videos, all of that good stuff right here. You're going to have Prompt Write AI. This is a prompt writer. We go back to Premium again. You're going to have an image generator in here that you get access to. If you come back, we got the Smart Post, where you can create short form videos and post them out to your different social media. Also, you have the Email Alchemist. This is going to help you write emails. You got that as well. And then also you have Transcribe Audio, where you can turn a recording into a ready to use words that you can post on Facebook or some of your social media account, your blog if you have a blog, and things like that. Also, we have the traffic and conversion training down here. You can go right here. It's going to start right here. If you want to go through the training, you can go through the training. But right now, when you come into this system, we have it done for you, ready to go. You have the Financial Literacy Academy. This is going to help you with your financial literacy, your taxes, reducing your taxes, some other money strategies that you can get used to start doing inside of here as well. And And then we have the affiliate section. The affiliate section, this is where your affiliate link is going to be for your own done for you system inside of the Home Business Academy. No other affiliate system is doing this right here. The only thing you have to do is get traffic. You have the income calculator. You have Monday night mastermind. We have an 8 o'clock morning call Eastern time where you can get on the phone for mindset. Then at 11 a.m. Eastern time, we have what's traffic and conversion. And then every Monday night, we have the what's working now mastermind that you're going to be tapping into. That eliminates your need for a mentor or someone like that. We mentor one another. We have mentors in here that's going to help you. You have the affiliate training. You have the My Business. Once again, you'll see your customers, your commission, all of that in the bonus vault. All up under here, live coaching. You're going to have live coaching events for all members. Monday night, what's working now, guests, daily coaching call, annual live events, all of that right there. You can put notes over here. You can add your Google Calendar to here. And we have the Freedom Fest where we do, once a year, everybody can come together to meet, I have been invited, but I'm not going to be able to make it this year. I was actually invited to actually speak, but I'm not going to be able to make it. I've already taken one vacation. Then I got another one that I'm taking out to Texas later on. So with the Home Business Academy, you're going to get everything that you need. All of the updates, all of these updates and improvements. You can add subdomains to your domain. Everything that you need right here is inside of the Home Business Academy. The only thing you have to do is click the link in the description, come to this page, go through the process, come to this page right here, come down to here where you actually see my picture on here, and then you're going to click and get started for $35. You're going to see my image again, and just go ahead on and get started. You get a 3-day money back guarantee that the Home Business Academy is going to give you back if you're not satisfied. The reason they give a 3-day money back guarantee is because they pay every Friday. So we only give you 3 days to tap into it. Plus, you're going to be able to get a 14-day free trial of the premium when you come in for $35 today. So you can go ahead on and do that right now to get started. Click the link in the description. Put in your info. Do what you got to do. Come over here, get started, read this sales page. If you have any questions, you can come over here and ask Sage. She will answer any questions that you have that have not been answered in this video. So ask any question, she will help you out. So with that being said, go click that link in the description and get started with the best affiliate program with recurring commission in 2026 so you can get started right now. With that being said, have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.